How to save Snapchat picture to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to save Snapchat picture to your phone's gallery. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you can simply tap on the photo icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, then you can simply scroll through and go to your memories section. And there you can simply open the chat if the picture was sent to you, or you can simply see through all the photos that you have captured before. And now here, once you are inside that photo, then you can simply tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, in this section, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as export or send snap. And now here, in this section, you simply have to tap on download. And once you do that, the photo will be directly saved in your phone gallery. And here you can simply go to the gallery and see that the image has been downloaded to your phone's gallery. And that's it. That's how you can save Snapchat picture to gallery. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.